Yo, 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 you know who it is. It's T with Arizona Writers Club. We're out here at the Concours at Fountain Hills, checking out some of these vehicles, man. It has been a doozy. Guys, this is the parking lot. Take a look at that. Got into the cars. This is just the parking lot. $72,914. Nice Dodge Charger. We got a Stingray Corvette. We got the C6 peeking out over here. It has been an amazing time out here, y'all. We're not done yet. We're only halfway through this, man. I just want to come out here, chop it up with you, let you know how we do. Again, we are at the Concours at Fountain Hills. Come on out and see some of these nice vehicles. Oh, that G-Wagon's calling my name. I gotta go, guys. It's T with Arizona Writers Club. Y'all know the slogan. Ride with us. ArizonaWritersClub.com. Ride with us.
All right with you guys.